Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udokiwago and welcome to the self-care family. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi boo, welcome. So in today's video, from the thumbnail, you know what time it is. It's time for a skincare review, and we have our very own Anua product. So let's just read what is on the bottle. It says Anua 70 plus rice, 70 plus ceramide. It's also written Anua rice 70 glow milky toner, moisturizing milky toner enriched with rice bran water, helps the skin glow with a refreshing lightweight finish. Okay, so as usual, what we do here in our channel, whenever we are reviewing a particular product, we are going to be talking about different things. First, we'll be talking about the ingredient formulation of this particular product. We'll be talking about what all these ingredients claim to do, if it actually does or it says it does, who can use this particular product, how can it be used, where can you find it, and how much can you get it. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. I was lucky enough to be sent this particular product via PL, so I didn't buy it with my money. However, whenever I come here to say like my authentic review about a particular product, I have no bias, because even when I'm being paid to review a particular product, I am going to be honest and truthful. PSA, I am not a certified dermatologist, neither am I a licensed esthetician. However, I am one person who is a fantastic skincare lover and enthusiast who enjoys wearing skincare because I have low-key a problematic skin. Do you get? So with that out of the way, what are the ingredients in this particular product? Now, because this is written off the bottle that it is a rice toner, best believe it is formulated with rice, okay, rice water. And rice water has proven to be very nourishing, very hydrating, and very moisturizing, because it contains a good ounce of like protein that has enormous skincare benefit. Aside from that, it is also believed to contain niacinamide, and I feel like most Anua products they just have stacks of niacinamide in it. Yeah, do I love niacinamide? Yes. Do I think a lot of it in a product is good? We don't need so much niacinamide in a particular product. However, this product contains niacinamide, which helps in reducing redness, regulating your oil, and just overall barrier support and repair to the skin. Okay, it also contains ceramide, which also helps in nourishing, hydration, and moisturization of the skin. This particular product also contains panthenol, which has soothing and hydrating benefits. It also contains glycerin that is supposed to boost hydration. So you can just tell that the main purpose of this particular product is to lock in moisture and hydration into the skin. Aside from that, this product also contains ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin, which are major skincare ingredients that help in brightening the skin. However, it contains just little bits of it, meaning it's just going to give like a radiant feel to the skin. It's not going to give you like an intense brightening effect on the skin. However, you see like a little skin turnover, giving you a more radiant and a more beautiful like outlook to your skin. It also contains like a couple of products, a couple of skincare that I'm going to like list here. So whichever one I didn't talk about here, please check it out. But most of these skincare ingredients target hydration, skin moisturization, and skin nourishing. Again, the key purpose is supposed to hydrate your skin, nourish your skin, and also moisturize your skin. So now that we know what is the key purpose of this particular product, who is supposed to use this product, based off of what I have used over time, because when you look at this particular product, you will tell that I have used it decently. So based off of this, again, my skin type is, I have an oily skin, an acne prone skin, and also a blemish prone skin. And honestly, as much as people will be like, oh, like you don't need hydration because you have oily skin, because you get super oily, that is a lie. You actually need hydration, because the more hydrated your skin is, the more you have, the less you have the tendency of getting an oily skin. However, don't mistake hydrating your skin and overhydrating your skin. When you overhydrate your skin, it also becomes a problem as someone with oily skin. Now, if you have dry skin, you would enjoy this particular product a whole lot, especially because of the texture, the feel, and the consistency on your skin. Now, if you have a combo skin, again, you will love this product. In fact, is actually made to cater for everybody. If you also have oily skin, it is also good. If you have sensitive skin, it is also good. Reason being that it contains a little amount of niacinamide, which help in toning down redness. It will soothe your skin, it will tone down redness. At the same time, for oily skin type, it will help in regulating your oil, if you get what I mean. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk about how do you use this particular product. Now, because of the way it is formulated, again, you can use it every single day. It is the prettiest and the most beautiful toner, like in this rice formulation range. You know, recently there's been this rave about so many toners that contains rice water. These are, and I've used one particular one. I didn't do a review because of certain things. However, I feel like in one of my videos I would definitely do a review about it. There is this rave about rice toner, and the reason it is being made, this means that you as an individual can use this particular toner in the morning and you can use it at night. It runs watery. Some of these rice toners always have this separation. This one does not. So in as much as it doesn't, still give it a good shade before application. So after that, I'll take a good amount and I would apply. Now, bear in mind, it has a very watery texture. When applied, it feels super hydrating, super nourishing, and super moisturizing. Low-key, I feel like somehow it sits a tad heavy on the skin, but once it absorbs fully into your skin, you won't even notice the heaviness. It does not absorb really like matte on the skin. You just notice a little bit of glow after application of this particular product, which is a win-win for people who have drier skin because they need that glow on their skin, and for people who have oily skin like I do, if you can do away with it, that's fine. If you can do away, but if you see it as a problem, make a choice. Do you get what I mean? Now, with that out of the way, you can use this again. You can use it in the morning and you can also use it at night. And it comes as, for me personally, it comes as my third step in my routine. Reason being that I use my cleanser and I use my my face toner. Recently, I started doing like double toning and I've really been enjoying it. It has really repaired my skin and I have reduced the tendency of breaking out since I started double toning. So I tone with my first toner and then I go in with this. But if you don't do double toning after your cleanser, you can always apply this. Allow it to sit and absorb into your skin before going into your essence or your moisturizer, whichever one you are doing. Perfect. So now you can see how it feels on my skin. It doesn't have a tacky feeling. It's like it leaves your skin really bouncy, really supple, and I do enjoy it a whole lot. Now the next question is, where can you buy this product? Again, in Nigeria you can buy it from some of these vendors I'm going to list. Now on Amazon I'm seeing that it retails for $14. I'm not sure. However, on Style I can see that it retails for $19. However, here in Nigeria you can get it from Persona Beauty, Beauty Prime. I'll also put a couple of skincare vendor on Instagram that I have seen it on their page, and you can get it here in Nigeria for like 25 to 27,000 naira. Is it a win-win? 250 ml, you're not running out of it anytime soon. Most toner is like 150 ml, 100 ml, and it would retail for like maybe 10,000, 11,000, 15,000, but you're getting this for 250 ml and you're getting it for like 25,000. And I feel if you have like the money to afford this particular product, it is worth it. Is it a steal for the amount you're getting out of it? I feel so. I feel like this is a steal, especially for what it does, and you are getting this amount of products. I feel like it's a steal, but it is not cheap. Get me? Is it cheap? No, it's not cheap. Is it expensive? Yes. However, for the amount of products you get out of this particular product, the amount of like that you get out of this bottle, it is actually worth the 25,000 naira. Okay, so next question is, I think I've covered it. Have I think for the most part I have covered most of the things that we are supposed to talk about in this particular product. I covered the ingredient formulation of this product, what it says it does, how to use it, who can use it, how much you can get it, and where you can get it, which is literally everything you need to know about this particular product. So with that out of the way, if you have further questions concerning this particular product, please leave a comment on the comment section. I really do love this particular product. No, it did not clog my pores, as in like that is one thing I was super scared of, because the last milky toner that I used really did clog my pores, and I was excited about this one, and I was happy, or I am happy that it doesn't clog my pores. It has also given my skin a very supple feel, to the extent that I am having like a super radiant skin lately, and I really do appreciate it, because I tend not to break out as much as I used to. So with that out of the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also hit the bell button to get notified every single time I make a new upload. It's your girl Udoka, and I'll definitely see you guys on my next one. Mwah. Bye.